guys, welcome. This is a Lansky product. I haven't found any videos of how to use it. This is how I do it. Your setup's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Take this out of the thing. What I do is I put it on a flat surface, hold it flat, tighten it down. That's all you need. Nice and flat. A little bend on that part. Not horrible. So you got this right here is the 120 grit. Always go in a pattern like this. I don't know this knife, I found it, so I'm making my own edge. I'm using the 25-degree angle. For me, it works better that way. The edge lasts longer also. You know, different folks, different strokes, so to speak, right? What I do here is I start my edge to create it. Use your rough side. Then you slowly move in. This was the 80 grit. Sorry, 120 grit. I'm going to 280. Good. Nice and flat. I don't care about that part. So, put a little line on here. The oil lifts up the debris that might get in the grain. Put another thin layer on it. Rub it in. Again, no one's actually taught me how to do this. There may be a very much better way, but this seems to work pretty well for me, at least. I go one pass in either direction, overlapping each stroke on an angle. I don't do this, I don't go straight. I go at an angle. What that does is it keeps me from putting a single groove in it, or a single flat spot. This keeps it going across the old edge. I am always going against the grain. If someone goes the other way, I don't care, it doesn't hurt my feelings. This seems the most productive for me. And when I am done, it is razor sharp. So I must be doing something right at least. Again, every once in a while, clean the debris out of the pores. A little thin layer, rub it out. Fill it up. Another bead on there. And it's just a thin layer, there's nothing thick. Now if you notice right through here, there's this little lip underneath here that where the blade looks like it goes. I've never found it useful when it always falls out. So I go into about here. But there's a little line right here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's where the taper starts. That's what I bring this edge to, is the taper. Keeps it a place, it gives it a place that I can go back to every time when I go to sharpen my blades. If you watch, you can see this edge right here. If you can see the black to the silver, okay, it's universal, or it's uniformed all the way down. That means I must be following a decent pattern all the way around also. Right here, right in this area, you'll see it narrow just a little bit compared to the rest. And that's what I'll clean up. not sharp enough yet. I thought that was at 280 grit, so I'm doing pretty good. So up to the 600. Blade just moved a little bit. Maybe I'm pushing too hard. Now, if you've got a very messed up knife and you just need to hog out material, you can do this, but you'll end up wearing a hole inside your sharpening stone. That's why I do full long strokes best I can. Oh yeah. Sharp enough to shave with.